account and you guys actually just enabled me, so. Management. Wait, why do I laugh like a boo? That sounded like a boo from Mario. What the fuck? Wait. Oh my god, what the fuck was that? Dude, I sound like a boo from Mario. Why do I sound like that? What the fuck? What? Wait, what is? What did I do? What the fuck was that? That was a real laugh. I gotta get a real laugh. Someone say something funny. Someone say something funny now. Say something funny now. I can't do it because it's like a real laugh. So you can't fake a real laugh. Say something funny. Funny. Something. You guys are so fucking stupid. Okay. Boss, that is not funny. That is not funny. It's okay. Sometimes I'm boo from Mario. That's all you need now. Oh, I could finally break the allegations, by the way. There was one guy who